Hey guys, quick update lang sa ating Forsage.io opportunity. Marami kasing duda about dun sa pagiging hosted ng website ng Forsage sa isang web server. Okay, so paano pag nag-down yung website? So, ang sagot ng Forsage, since decentralized na yung pinanggagalingan ng data, which is yung source code na nandito sa Etherscan, okay, ito, immutable na to, hindi na to mawawala. Pero itong mismong nakikita natin ngayon, itong website, posibleng mawala. Kasi nga, hosted siya sa isang centralized na web server. Like for example, GoDaddy, HostGator, o kaya Amazon AWS, parang ganon. So, hosted siya, ibig sabihin, kung mag-down man yung mga supplier or yung web server na yun, mawawala rin Forsage. So, ano yung solution? Okay? So, meron din tayong tinatawag na IPFS. So, ito yung interplanetary file system. So what it does is it works like a BitTorrent or like a torrent file. So bago mo ma-download yung file, kailangan 100% siya na available sa ibang computers. Okay? So kung may 10 computer na merong 100% ng file, mas mabilis mo ma-download kasi maraming nagsiseed. Okay? Since ikaw naman yung nag-leech, ikaw yung leecher, ikaw yung nagda-download ng file. And once na-download mo na yung file, pwede ring ma-download sa iyo ng ibang computers na gustong kunin yung file from your computer. So, ganun siya. Parang peer-to-peer na rin yung magiging hosting ng website ng Forsage, which is isa sa mga sasagot sa iyong katanungan or isa sa magiging sagot sa pagdududa mo paano kung mawala ang web server ng Forsage. Okay? So, if you want to know more details about IPFS, may mga videos sa YouTube, search nyo lang IPFS, how it works, makita nyo yun. And ito nga pala yung sabi ng isa nating developer ng Forsage about the migration. Watch this.
How secure is your project? And how much are you protected from interruptions, from hackers, DDoSers and similar figures? A week after the launch, we became victims of strong DDoS attacks. The site was working with severe interruptions for about a day. But Forsage is not just a site and server. Forsage is smart contract. The site is just a tablet showing information for the contract, which is located in the blockchain network. And thanks to this, you can interact with the contract without visiting the site. The server still counts such events and outputs the information immediately to the accounts when syncing with the contract. And I'll reveal some cards from our deck. One of these days, we will launch a website using IPFS technology. IPFS, Interplanetary File System, is an open-source hypermedia communications protocol that allows peer-to-peer nodes to store and distribute data in a single distributed file system. After launching such a resource, we will no longer have to have a server and worry about attacks. The operation of such a site is supported by the users themselves, and any attempt to attack will have a boomerang effect for the attacker. That is, in fact, he will perform an attack on himself. Also, the advantage will be the domain will have a separate decentralized DNS server that will store record of our domain in the Ethereum blockchain. This means that no structure can block access to the Forsage platform.
Okay, so ngayon alam nyo na that will be migrating soon to the IPFS technology, and lahat decentralized na. Hosting and also yung ating backend data. Okay? So, yun lang po ang aking i-share sa inyo ngayon about Forsage. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye now.